Hindi alam ni Andy na may mga parating siyang mga bisita today.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Okay guys, for this vlog, hindi alam ni Andy na may mga parating siyang mga bisita today. Kaya kami naglilinis ng sobra. Nag-imbita ako ng mga friends para sa kanyang advance birthday surprise, snack dinner. Sobrang biglaan, random. Kasi gusto ko lang mag-order since it's Sunday ng food. Tapos naisip ko, birthday nga pala niya. So why not invite some of his friends coming over and also my friends. So ito na yung mga food na na-order ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. So we have the bread, the baked spaghetti, the rice, carbonara. Ito ay Irish garlic chicken, tuna teppanyaki, caldereta, pork pinagooman, kare-kare, at sweet kimi. Marami rin mga desserts na parating. So feeling ko, o-order pa ako ng mga pizza or chicken. We'll see kung ilan yung mga pupunta. Dahil hindi ko alam kung ilan. In 30 minutes, they will arrive here. And titignan natin ang reaction ni Andy sa mga bisita. Nakalimutan ko sabihin na, sabay din nga pala sila ng birthday ng kapatid ko. Kaya nagpabili din ako ng cake para kay Lenny. Kasi hindi niya alam na para sa kanya din ito. So, kakantahan sila ng birthday cake today. Tapos sabi ni Kaiti, meron daw siyang regalo na birthday cake for Andy. So, inaantay ko sila ngayon. Tapos meron din ako in-order ng cheese platter para yun muna yung mga pika-pika bago dumating ang lahat ng bisita. Ang tagal nila. Maaga pa naman. 2:30 pa lang. 3 o'clock sabi ko. But already. Hi guys! It's Sunday. So, naisip lang namin handa na ano-ano. And then, in-invite namin kasi sila Curdy. Sila dito kayo. Sino pa yung pwede. Tapos nandito rin ang family nila. So, may mga pagkain kami. Papakita ni Andy. Nakita mo na ba yung food?
Di ko alam yung food. Alright, so here's our feast, guys. We have baked spaghetti. Smells incredible. Is this pandesal? Parang pandesal or bread. For the pasta, we have some fried rice and some bacon and mushroom carbonara. Then I'm guessing this is fried chicken. Is that what it is? Irish garlic chicken. Ooh, smells pretty good. Then we have here, is that tuna? Tuna teppanyaki.
Yep.
Para healthy. Tapos ito, caldereta. And then we have
Pork binagoongan.
wow. So this is our feast for today. Ano to?
Kare-kare.
Kare-kare.
Sauce kasi yan ito yung mga
For this. Yeah, like we
so
did last
later pa
time.
natin yan.
Okay, and then ano pa?
We have some sweets. Syempre.
We have some sweets here. Some parang, oh, this looks like the one we had last time. Yung parang chocolate with the nuts. Sarap yun. Tapos, chocolate. Ano pa?
That's dessert.
Saan?
Ano yun? Sa fridge.
Our fridge is a mess at the moment.
Ooh,
is that like coffee cake?
Yeah.
Hindi ba? Paano?
And ube.
Ay, wow.
Okay.
That's gonna be going very fast.
Yes? Ano masasabi? Ito, ito na.
Ang ano, hindi nga, ang ganda nga i-vlog nun. Yung nag-ano kami. Bilis.
Sige, game. Let's go!
Teka lang, magugas mo na kami.
Yan nga.
Kasi ano sa Ay, teka lang. Asin yung grip.
Wait lang, tanggalin natin ba sa
Hindi mamahalin.
Yan. Hindi yan. Nakawala.
Di ba mamahalin? Di ba? Ay, ano yun?
Ito. Kung ano to, ito.
siya.
Yung kasunod.
Yung isa!
Yan.
Sa baso dito yun. Hindi ako ha. Uy, baka nalagyan yung ano.
Teka lang!
O, ka na. Lagyan mo na.
Sabi mo, alam! Isa. Akala ko kasi camera to.
Isa lang muna.
Sabi may camera.
Tapos pangalawa siya.
May ko na pindutin, baka mamaya mag-shower
Mamaya,
na ako.
patingin.
Oo.
Oh. Okay. Aray ko, Curtin. Laki ng tiyan mo.
Ito yung dalawang saan lagi, oh.
Lagi kang tinatawagan.
Oo, itong dalawa lagi ako tinatawagan. Ano?
Uy, kain na kayo, Jill.
Hindi pa nagpa-park dito sa harap.
Darating kasi kayo eh, para ano. Si Mimi ba yan? Halika na.
Sina-vlog mo na ba yung kailangan?
Siyempre naman, na-vlog ko na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Wow! Wow! Si Mimi na magbulo.
Si Mimi. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Thank you, Cody May. Cody May lang to ah.
Meron pa doon!
From Cody May lang.
Meron pa doon!
Madami ba?
Oh!
Thank you. Finger on Cody.
Ayun o!
Akala ko naman kung anong sinasabi ni Chichi, hindi naman ako ready. Ay, ganun. Sabi ko, ha? You like the cake?
Gotta taste it na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Namatay, Carter.
Wala lang yung game. Ang alam ba ka? I-airdrop mo sa akin na lang, ha? Thank you.
Yung aircon doon.
Ay, happy birthday na Zar!
O, diba? Na-surprise ba kayo? Biglang ang daming tao.
Daming food.
Halata mo? Nahalata mo?
And daming food. With just only how many people.
That's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Alright, that's it for another vlog, guys. Thank you to all my friends who came out for my birthday, and of course a special thank you to Diana for always surprising me on my birthday. she never falls short, and I'm always so appreciative of her putting these things together and having some happy moments with our friends and family. And also happy birthday to my sister-in-law Len, because we actually have the same birthday. So I think before we even started vlogging, we've always been sharing our birthday together ever since, for the past I think 10-11 years. But we never really showed it in the vlogs because for the past 3 years we were in Australia, so now we finally get to share that moment again together. But it was a good night and we had some fun. And so they say life begins at 40, so I'm really excited for what's up ahead, and I plan to get in the best shape of my life, be the healthiest I've ever been, and obviously work as hard as possible and just enjoy things and travel more. So thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.